Hey friends, if you encounter Ctfmon exe unknown hard error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a malware scan. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT, which is the malware removal tool. Click on Next, choose Full Scan, click on Next and let it run through. The last solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on Open System Restore, choose a different restore point, next, choose a good restore point, next, finish, and then finally click on Yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.